what's left of an MS-40. Or the rotary vanes. And here's the motor windings. I would call this the E-mod. Figure out how to rebuild one of these. Maybe I can make a refurb.